We just continue where we left off. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Faris. Welcome back to the channel. Excitement! Yes. In today's video, we're gonna unbox the Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones. It's more of a feminine color. The one we have in front of us is the matte gold finish. It looks pretty awesome. The reason why I am excited of covering this in my channel is because what I noticed is ever since the Christmas period, Apple has been giving these headphones out for obviously like a bundle package with their other devices as well. We're going to open this up. Just using a kitchen knife today. Ooh, there we go. It's my first time unboxing the Beats Solo 3 wireless. Alright, let's see what we have here. Change the way you hear sound. Open that up. Ooh, there's a little tab. Okay, so when we open up, we have the carrying case of the Beats Solo 3 wireless. Just gonna see what's in there. First impressions of the product, the headband feels premium, made from stainless steel. The padding on the headband feels alright. Bear in mind that the ear cups are pretty small. Because of that, I realize it's not as comfortable as what you expect for long hours of use. With the pouch, Beats should actually consider making the pouch a bit bigger, rather than assuming us finding joy in cramping the headphone in the pouch. Inside the box, it also comes with a micro USB cable for charging, a 3.5mm cable for a wired connection, standard startup guides, and a Beats sticker. Since Apple bought Beats in 2014, in my opinion, the big difference is the Apple W1 chip that makes it simple and easy to pair with Apple devices, greeting you with an Apple animation, making it stand out from other branded headphones. Beats advertises fast fuel. It's a convenient feature that is similar like fast charging. Beats claims charging the device for 5 minutes will get you 3 hours of playback time. The controls on the sides of the headphone is pretty cool as well, having a play, pause button, next and previous track button. You can also enable Siri if you hold the play button. I reckon the Beats line of headphones cater to consumers that want a product that looks appealing, fashionable, and sounds good. There's nothing wrong with that. Just expect to spend $300+ for the Beats brand. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Smash that like button down below if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!